الحمد لله نحمده ونصلي ونسلم على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والله الخالق البارئ المصور له الأسماء الحسنى يسبح له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم صدق الله العظيم. Dear Muslim brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. With the mercy of only God Allah, today we are going to find the solutions of our problems in the fifth name from Asma ul Husna, and that is Al-Quddus, free from all blemishes. So if anyone recites the name Al-Quddus excessively, Allah will cure him from all spiritual sickness, and a person who suffers from fever should recite it 21 times and blow on a cup of water, then drink it. He will recover soon by the grace of Allah. Hope you for the best. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.